Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to generate an ultra realistic AI faces in MidJourney. So why MidJourney for AI faces? Because the MidJourney isn't just great for fantasy landscape or concept art, but it is also one of the best tool for generating a hyper realistic artistic human faces. With its version 6 model, you can create a highly detailed photo quality faces that look like they were captured by a professional photographer. And here's how to generate AI faces in MidJourney. First, you need to go to midjourney.com and join their Discord server. Type the settings in any server chat and select the V6. And then here you can command the imagine command followed by your detailed prompt. Review the generated images, then pick your favorite upscale for a higher quality. Optionally, you can generate variations for different expression or angles. And here are the key tips for realistic AI faces. Use a highly descriptive prompts, mention the lighting, the expression, the camera angle, and skin texture. You can add the details like hair type, skin color, age, and more, and always select the V6 under the settings for the best result. And here you can adjust your prompts. Creating an ultra realistic AI faces in MidJourney is all about the details on your prompt. The more descriptive and intentional you are, the better the result. And that's it. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.